Hey guys, so the topic for my show and tell is Sixth Sense technology. Sixth Sense technology is a wearable gesture interface that augments the physical world around us with the digital world by enabling us with the use of natural hand gestures to interact with this digital information. This technology is a perception of augmented reality, that is to say, it enables the users to put digital images on top of real world images, thus providing a simultaneous usage and view of both. This technology primarily makes the use of C++ and C# languages for its code. VarioWorld, which is a prototype created by Pranav Mistry, uses this technology to provide next-level digital to real-world interfacing. The software for Sixth Sense was later open sourced so individuals around the world can create and make use of their own version of applications based on their needs and imagination. Working. So as you can see, the user has four colored tapes around his index and thumb fingers of both hands. These colored tapes are actually used as the movement and arrangement of these tapes are used as gestures for the working of this software. The camera detects these colored tapes and passes on that information to a mobile communicating device, which can also be a smartphone that a user carries. The smartphone then analyzes the information and sends it back to the projector in a form of visual information. This projector then projects this information on any surface that is in the object of view. Since this whole interface is a neck-worn design, it can sometimes point the projector in a downward direction, which can make the projection a bit disoriented. In order to solve this, a mirror is used which corrects the angle of projection and makes the view better. As you can see, the interface also has a microphone in it. This is useful in situations when the user wants to project the visual information on top of a paper and use that paper for interacting with the digital world. What the microphone does is it detects the sound signals created by the user when he or she interacts with the paper. Applications. Sixth Sense has a wide range of applications. Using hand gestures for performing tasks using this technology means that the user can create any number of gestures and give them different functionalities based on their imagination. For example, you can take pictures just by making a certain hand gesture. The camera can be used to analyze boarding passes and display its corresponding flight details. You can just create a shape of a clock on your hand and it will display a clock over the surface. Bringing a article in front of the camera will enable the camera to analyze that newspaper article and look on the internet for any video format of that article and display it on the newspaper itself. This is similar to how interactive newspapers were shown in the Harry Potter world. You can also use this technology to make phone calls and use your palm as a keyboard. What I like about this technology is quite portable and has a very user-friendly interface, and it is also very cost-effective. The types and number of applications performed through this technology are only limited by the imagination of the user, and it is a much better for machines to adapt to human needs. What I dislike about this technology. It is a technology based on precision and usefulness of a gesture recognition system. So there can be errors in interpretation of the gestures based on the precision of the software used. The user will have to carry the interface around their neck everywhere in order to use it constantly. And since this technology projects everything onto a surface in view, the visual information offers no sort of privacy and thus can be misused by others who also have access to it. Better is, it would be better if the user did not have the need to carry a neck-worn interface everywhere with them. Finding an alternative to wearing the colored tapes around the fingertips is also a good idea, and adding privacy to the technology so that people cannot misuse it. For example, display the credit information and bank information of others. Thank you.